Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can place the text behind a person on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to basically copy and paste this video, and then on the second one I'm going to select cutout and I'm going to select auto cutout. Then I'm going to go to text and adding my default text, and you can type in anything you want basically. I'm just going to type in the word orange because I don't know, it's orange. You can also change the font as well and change the color to make it more visible if you'd like to. Okay, maybe not that, maybe like this blue. Okay, doesn't make sense because I typed in orange, but it's whatever. I'm going to go with this yellow instead. Then I'm just going to simply put this text behind the person, and that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!